Hello guys, today I'll share with you my English experience. English experience means if you want to speak in English and if you want to learn English, so how many problems you will have to face, which is I am doing every day. So I have done my 12th class in Hindi medium schools. When I came here, I'm studying at Delhi University. Now I study at Delhi University. So when I came here, so I am a zoology student, science student. So English is my hobby, no any burden. I can understand English class when sir takes class, so I can speak, sorry, I understand everything, but I can't speak fluently. So guys, firstly I'm going to tell you about English journey if you want to speak in English and if you want to learn English. So firstly, I think after I think 15 days ago, I was think I'll have to speak in English. I'll have to learn speak in English. So after that, I had promised myself from today I'll speak only on Hindi. No, sorry, English. I am not speak in Hindi even single word. I am speak English, only English, because I have a friend, they can understand English easily, so that's why. So my room partner also, they can understand English easily, he can understand English easily. So today I has been speaking English for 15 days. So guys, now I'll tell you how many problem will you have to face if you want to speak in English. So firstly, my friends sometime when I speak in English, front of friends and class anywhere, so everyone laugh at me. I'm facing like this problem. I even now I cannot speak English fluently, and also sometime I I do mistake sometime. That's not a big deal. It's happen with everyone. That's not a big deal. Sometime when I am speaking English, then sometime some friend says, why are you speaking English? You are behave like this Angrez. What's going on? So after that, okay, I just smile, and after that, okay. So everyone says, everyone laugh at you, and everyone you can say. So everyone, one day I was sitting in library, college library. Then I think asking about one page, because I haven't a page rough I want to do some rough work, so I haven't a page. So I said, could you please give me one page? Then another boy said, he said, I understand Hindi, so what are you speak why are you speaking English? But because he I think he was thinking he is, I said I am a English learner, so that's why I'm doing behave like that. So okay, So everyone, if you speak in somewhere, something somewhere, wherever you want to go, so laugh at you firstly. Sometime if you speak wrong, so it's happen with everyone, it's happen. But you have to speak in English. It's a very you can see my English. Really, I'll, every day I do practice front of camera 1 hour, 45 minutes, like that every day. And I read one page, two page every day, because and also I watch some videos, and I do listen some video. So that's all thing every day, or every day, uh, 2 days, 15 days completed, 2 days, 15 days completed, I am speaking in English, not Hindi. So let's see when I'll speak in English fluently, and let's see what happen, how many days it takes. So guys, it's happen everywhere, and it's happen everyone. So that's not a big deal. So you have to work and concentrate and focus only on your work. I'm also learner, how's my English? So go comment section and write something about my English, and about my English, and give me rating for my English. Okay guys, so okay, bye.